If you're looking to stop two-step verification on GetResponse, you're not alone. It's a feature that's designed for added security, but it can be a hassle for some users. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through the steps to turn it off, but stick around, because at the end, I'll share a better solution for your email marketing needs, one that doesn't make security so complicated. First, let's start with the basics. To disable two-step verification, you'll need to log into your GetResponse account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of your dashboard where you'll see your profile icon. Click it and then select Account Settings. Next thing you'll need to do is find a Security tab in the left sidebar. Here, you'll see an option for two-step verification. If it's currently enabled, you'll see an option to disable it. Simply click on that button. Now, GetResponse will ask you to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your email or phone, whatever method you've set up for two-step verification. Once you input the code, you'll be able to disable it. The fourth thing you'll want to know is that GetResponse might ask for a password reentry to confirm the change. This is to make sure it's really you making the change. It's a simple step, but one that adds a layer of security in case someone else tries to tamper with your settings. After that, two-step verification will be off, and you'll be back to the standard login process with just your username and password. However, keep in mind, disabling two-step verification does come with a risk. Without that second layer of security, your account becomes more vulnerable to hacking attempts, especially if your password gets compromised. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While GetResponse does offer some great features, its two-step verification can be a real roadblock for many users. If you're looking for a more streamlined experience without the hassle, I'd recommend checking out alternatives that focus on user experience and better functionality for marketers. So, here's the thing. While GetResponse works for some, there are other platforms that have more intuitive features and less complexity when it comes to security settings. Platforms like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign might offer better user experience, and they also come with free trials, so you can test them out for yourself. And before I wrap up, I've got a special offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial for one of the best email marketing platforms out there, plus benefits that only our viewers can get. Don't miss it. If you're tired of the back and forth with GetResponse's two-step verification and want a smoother solution, check out the alternatives in the description below. You'll find the best free trials available to help you get started.